Deshaun McLeod here. Wanted to talk about how business growth and business maintenance aren't particularly the same thing. Business growth is adding value versus business maintenance, which is maintaining value. There's running the business and then there's growing the business. Running the business is maintaining it, growing the business is adding value to it by investing in it. So, running the business maintains the value. And conglomerates get so large because they know that a person can run the business but not particularly lead it to the promised land, if you get what I'm saying. And growing the business is increasing its value. So a leader needs to delegate running the business to put time towards adding value by investing in technology, hiring new human capital, and acquiring resources to scale operations, etc., etc. And there's a lot of things that obviously can go into it depending on whatever your industry and business is. And know that time equals everything. So when a business leader gets to about like seven figures, they're focused on running the business because they've reached a certain amount of revenue. And so they run into this myopia of I have to be able to maintain this revenue, where they can actually hire different things of what they already do that's maintaining the business. So their time equals money in that they could be making more money when they're focused on adding value to the business and they can hand off anything that is actually maintaining the business. But the thing with this is, if this is going to happen, entrepreneurs need to be hired. There's a video on that. And this basically just means that you're hiring individuals with experience who all they need to be is onboarded and not trained. And you're just letting them know what they need to do and they get it right to work. So the next thing is making yourself obsolete. Hire out as much work as you possibly can in order to free up your time. This is how conglomerates are built. Curate an innovating mastermind with mentors, consultants, lawyers, accountants, financiers, marketers, you name it. When you make yourself obsolete, that's when you're free to be able to build something else. This is Deshaun on Lead and Grow.